Former World Wrestling Entertainment personality Jim "The Anvil" Neidhart has died at the age of 63, WWE confirmed Monday morning. The cause of death was unknown. Neidhart was best known as a tag team wrestler alongside his brother-in-law, Bret Hart. The pair won 2 WWE World Tag Team Championships together. Neidhart's daughter, Natalie, currently performs for WWE's Raw brand under the name Natalya. Neidhart last competed in WWE in 1997, but his legacy lives on today through his daughter, Natalya, who displays her father's signature charisma and toughness every time she steps in the ring, WWE said in a press release confirming Neidhart's death. WWE extends its condolences to Neidhart's family, friends and fans. Fellow retired performer Ric Flair was among those who also offered their condolences on social media. "My good friend Jim Neidhart, a world-class athlete and a man among men. Rest in peace," Flair wrote.